Hello everyone! In today's video, we will see how to remove the Capcut template on TikTok. So let's get into it. First of all, let's navigate to the TikTok app on your mobile phone and open it. Once you're in the TikTok app, go to the top search bar, type Capcut templates, and tap on search. You will get hundreds of templates that are free to use. You can explore all these and choose accordingly. Let's open a template to proceed. Once the template opens up on the screen, tap on Try this template, and from this page, again tap on Use template in Capcut. Within a few seconds, it will be open. Once the template successfully opens, tap on Use template to access the mobile media section. Select any file that you want to use, and then, from the right bottom, tap on Next. Here, you can customize the video by adding visual effects, and then, from the top right corner, tap on Export. A new menu pop-up from the bottom of the screen. Tap on Export without a watermark. The video starts exporting without a watermark. Make sure you don't close the CapCut or lock screen while video exporting. Once it is complete, let's have a preview. It looks perfect. Tap Next to upload. Here, you can add captions, tag people, or add a location, and then finally tap on Post. So, this is how you can remove the CapCut template on TikTok. I hope this video has been helpful. For more informative content, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.